Typewriters may seem like relics of the past, but in Quiapo, one craftsman is keeping these vintage machines alive, restoring them piece by piece for collectors and customers from around the world. The details in this report by mobile journalist Fatima Baduria.
May typewriter din ba kayo mula kay lolo o lola na hindi na gumagana? May nag-aayos pa niyan dito sa Quiapo, Maynila. Within Comandante Street in Quiapo, Manila stands one of the last typewriter shops in the country. This is the work of Gerald de la Cruz. While his humble shop is quiet, his business remains very much alive. Over the years, restoring typewriters have become Gerald's expertise and led him to earning the trust of his customer base, something he takes pride in. Gerald says vintage collectors often visit or buy from him online.
Bihira na talagang gumagawa nito. Saka wala naman sa school kasi ito eh. Yung ba, sa vocational, wala. Ano lang to, matututo ka by experience lang.
These typewriters may be old, but antiquity is precisely what makes them more valuable. This has drawn Gerald to collect rare typewriters. Among his collection are models that type in cursive, Japanese, and even Arabic. According to him, the oldest model he has restored to good working condition is a typewriter from 1886, which came from a customer in the United States. His most expensive work was even priced at 100,000 pesos for a rare typewriter from 1915.
Mas masalimuot gawin eh. Maraming iba-iba yung posisyon. Hindi kagaya ng mga moderno ngayon, mga 80s na pataas. Parang mga simple na lang. Hindi kagaya ng mga luma talaga. May maraming sekreto. Saka makakapal yung pesa, kaya ang tibay.
Because it can be difficult to find replacement for typewriter parts, Gerald sources from junk. Some people may say that typewriters are seeing its last days, but Gerald continues to persevere in his life's work and has no plans to pursue other jobs.
Ay, minsan may nagsabi, may bumibili pa ba yan? Minsan napigan ako, sabi ko, pag namatay ka, gagamitin yung typewriter sa pangalan mo eh. Hanggang ngayon naman, mga funeraria, yung iba, typewriter pa rin. Yung parang inaalipos na pa yung luma na yan, high-tech na ngayon, di ba? Eh, yung iba kasi ganung tao, eh, hindi nila appreciate yung mga luma.
As he revitalizes typewriters, these old machines also give life to his family. Gerald says this is where his motivation comes from.
Nakakabuhay, saka may nag-aaral pang dalawa eh. Tatlo pala yung graduate na eh. Itong talagang bubuhay ng pamilya ko.
Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.